Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Today, we are going to discuss some 3 and 4 marks questions of surface area and volumes. Okay. So, this is also one of the very important chapters. So, from this chapter, we are going to get MCQ questions, 1 marks questions, 2 marks, as well as 3 and 4, 5 marks also we will get, right? So, we will solve some, we will discuss some 3 and 4 marks questions. Okay. So in that, first we will discuss some formulas. So these formulas are very important. Okay. So volume of the cube, that is side cube, and volume CSA, that is curved surface area of the cube, that is 4 into a square. So if I consider side is a, then it is 4a square, right? Now this is CA, that is curved surface area of the cube, that is 4a square, and total surface area 6a square. So these formulas are very important. Next, cuboid. Volume of the cuboid, length into breadth into h. Height, that is CSA, 2 into L plus B into h. 2 into LB, that is length into breadth plus B into h plus L into h. Now, cylinder. So these are very important. Cylinder. So volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, and r is radius here and h is the height. Curved surface area 2 pi r h, and total surface area 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, or it is 2 pi r into r plus h. Both are same. Okay. Cone. So 1 by 3 pi r square h is the volume. Pi r L is the CSA. L is slant height here. So L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. Or you can write h square plus r square. Both are same. Pi RL plus pi r square is the total surface area. So pi r into r plus L. Okay. Sphere. Volume of the sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and curved surface area. We do curved surface here. We are considering only total surface area, right? That is 4 pi r square. Hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube, 2 pi r square is the curved surface area, and 3 pi r square is the total surface area. Okay. Now, so first question is, so this question was asked in CBSE question paper. Okay. Volume and surface area of a solid hemisphere are numerically equal. What is the diameter of the hemisphere? So volume and surface area of the hemisphere are numerically equal. That means volume and surface area are equal. So volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, and surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Pi r and pi r will get cancelled. So here it is 2 into 1 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square. Sorry, 1 by 3, not 1 by 3, 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Now, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Pi and pi will get cancelled. Here r cube is there, r square is there. So 1 r will remain. So 1 by 3 into r is equal to 1. So now transfer this 3 to this side, then r is equal to 3. That is diameter of the hemisphere is 2r. Diameter means it is 2r, right? So diameter D is equal to 2r. Here r is 3. That means 2 into 3 is 6 centimeter. So this question is for 2 marks. If the total surface area of the solid hemisphere is 462 centimeter, find its volume. Total surface area of the hemisphere, that is 462 centimeter square. So total surface area of the hemisphere is 3 pi r square. That's equal to 462. 3 into pi value is 22 divided by 7, and r square into r square is equal to 462. Now transfer all this value to this side. So if you transfer 7 to this side, then it is 462 into 7 divided by 3 into 22. Now, 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 threes are 2 ones. Right? Now, 11 ones are 11 twos are 22. 1 remains, 11 ones are 11. That is 7 into 21. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. So 7 into 7, that is 49. Right? R value is r square is equal to 49. Then what is the value of r? R is plus or minus square root of 49. So square root of 49 is 7 centimeters. So radius cannot be negative. Therefore, it is 7 centimeters. Volume of the hemisphere, they have asked. So 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi value is 22 divided by 7. R value is 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 2 into 22. That is 44. 44 into 21 divided by 3. That is 2,156 divided by 3. That is 1718.6 centimeter cube. Right? This is the volume of the hemisphere. Next, a vessel is in the form of a hemispherical bowl surmounted by a hollow cylinder of same diameter. The diameter of the hemispherical bowl is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the vessel. So total height of this vessel is 13 centimeter and diameter is 14 centimeter. They have given, that means 14 centimeter is diameter of the cylinder and diameter of the hemispherical. That is, both are equal. So 7 centimeter is the diameter. Then what is the value of R? R is 14 divided by 2. Sorry, 14 divided by 2. 14 centimeter is the total diameter. R is D divided by 2. That is 14 divided by 2. This is 7 centimeter. Right? So R value is 7 centimeter. Inner surface area of the vessel we need to find out. For that, curved surface area of the hemisphere plus curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi rh. Here 2 pi r is common. So take 2 pi r common. R plus h will remain in the bracket. So curved surface area, that means, okay, here 2 pi r. 2 into 22 divided by 7 into R value is 7. Okay, so in the bracket 7 plus H value is 6. 6 means 13 minus R. Then you will get the height of the cylinder. That is 6. 6 centimeter, right? So 7 plus 6. 44 into 13. That is 22. That is 44. 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 2 into 22, that is 44. 7 plus 6 is 13. 44 into 13 is 572 centimeters. Next, in the figure is decorative block made up of two solids, a cube and hemisphere. So the base of the block is cube of side 6 centimeter and the hemisphere fixed on the top has diameter of 3.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the block. Okay. So here total surface area of the block we need to find out. For that, total surface area of the cube plus curved surface area of this hemisphere minus area of the circle. So here one hole will make. So one hole is there. In that hole, one hemisphere is surmounted. For that, so we need to subtract area of the circle. So total surface area of the cube, that is 6 into side square plus 2 pi r square. C as A of hemisphere. 2 pi r square minus area of the circle, that is pi r square. So 2 pi r square minus pi r square, that is pi r square. 6 into side is each cube of side 6 centimeter. So A value is 6 here. Side value is 6. So 6 into 6 square plus 22 divided by 7 into R value is 3.5 diameter is there. So D is equal to 3.5. Then R is equal to 3.5 divided by 2. That is 35 divided by 20. If I remove this decimal point, then 35 divided by 20. Then 5 4s are 5 7s are. Then it is 7 divided by 4. So R value is 7 divided by 4. Here R square is there. So 7 by 4 into 7 by 4. So 6 square is 36. 36 into 6, that is 216 plus 77 divided by 8. 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 22 into 7. 4 ones are 4. That is 2 2s are 2 11s are. Okay. 2 11s are. So 4 2s are 8. 11 into 7, that is 77. So 216 plus 877 divided by 8 is 9.625. So 216 plus 9.625 is 225.625 centimeters. Next, each each cube, so two cube, each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So here volume of the cube they have given, right? Volume of cube they have given, that is 64 centimeter cube. Then we know the volume of the cube, that is a cube is equal to 64. Then what is the value of a? A means cube root of 64. Then is 4 centimeter, right? That means each side is of 4 centimeter. So we are joining two cubes in order to form the cuboid. That means here length, breadth and height. Height is 4 centimeter, length is 4 plus 4, that is 8 centimeter, and breadth is 4 centimeter. Now, each side is of 4 centimeter. Now, L means 4 plus 4, that is length is 8 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now, so surface area of the cuboid. Surface area of the cuboid we want. So for that formula is length into 2 into length into breadth into height, that is volume of the cuboid. So 2 into L into H plus L into H plus L into B plus B into H, right? So this is 2 into L value is 8 into H value is 4 plus L is 8, 8 into 4 plus B into H, that is 4 into 4. Now 2 into 32 plus 32 plus 60, right? So 2 into 32 plus 32 plus 16, 16 plus this is 64, 64 plus 16, that is 80, 80 into 2, that is 162, 160 centimeters square. This is the total surface area of the cuboid, right? Next, the toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. So this question was asked in model question paper, right? So here total surface, that total height of the toy they have given. So toy is made up of two shapes. That is, one is cone and another one is hemisphere, right? So total height they have given, that is 15.5. And radius of the cone is equal to the radius of the hemisphere, that is 3.5 centimeter, right? Now, then what is the height of the cone? 15.5 minus 3.5. That is height of the cone, that is 12 centimeter. Okay. Now, the total surface area of the toy can be find out by adding curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the sphere, right? Of the hemisphere. So surface area of the toy we want, right? Total surface area of the toy. Area of the toy is equal to curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. Right? So curved surface area of the cone is pi RL plus curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi R square, right? Now, pi value is 22 divided by 7. Then what is L? L is slant height. L means it is H square plus R square, right? Now, what is R? R value is 3.5. Then what is H? H means height of the cone we need to find out, right? So for that total height is 15.5 minus radius is 3.5, that is 12 centimeter. H value is 12 centimeter. Now L is equal to square root of H square plus R square. H square is 12 square plus R square is 3.5 square. So 12 square is 144 plus 3.5 square is 12.25 is equal to 144 plus 12, that is 156.25. So square root of 156.25 is 12.5 centimeter, right? Now, total surface area of the toy. CSA, that is pi RL. Pi value is 22 divided by 7 and R value is 3.5. L value is 12.5 plus 2 into 22 divided by 7 into R value is R square is 3.5 into 3.5. Now, 7 ones are 7 5s are 35, that is 0.5. Here also 7 ones are 7, 0.5. Now, so 22 into 22 into 0.5 into 12.5 plus 44 into 0.5 into 3.5. So if you add all, if you multiply all these values and we'll add these two values. So after multiplying, we'll add these two values, then you will get 214.5 centimeters square. Okay, final value is 214.5 centimeters. This is the total surface area of the dot. Next, a tent is in the shape of cylinder. Okay, so now tent is there. That tent is in the shape of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height of the diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, height and diameter. Height is 2.1 meter and diameter is 4 meter respectively. And the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of Rs 500 per meter square. Okay. So now here what we need to find out, surface area of the first, find the cost of the canvas. So cost of the canvas we need to find out. So for that, first we need to find out the total surface area of the canvas, right? So, surface area of the total surface area of the canvas. Total surface area of the canvas. Canvas is equal to, so here two surfaces are there. Okay. So from the diagram, you are going to observe this is cylindrical shape and this is cone shape, right? So total surface area of the canvas can be determined by using curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the cone, right? Curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the cone. Right. So curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH plus curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. Now 2 into 22 divided by 7. Oh, so before that, first we'll take common. Then it will be easy to us. So here pi R is common. That we will take outside. So pi R is common. If I take pi R common, then 2h will remain in the bracket plus L. So pi value is 22 divided by 7. R value is, here 4 meter is the diameter. So D is equal to 4 meter means R value is 4 divided by 2. That is 2 meter. R value is 2. Okay. So 2 meter into 2 into H is 2.1 meter they have given plus L slant height is 2.8 meter. So 7, 22 into 2, that is 44. 44 divided by 7. 2 into 2.1, that is 2.1. 4.2 plus 2.8. 4.2 plus 2.8 is 7, right? So 7 and 7 will get cancelled. You will get 44 centimeters square. This is the total surface area. Now what we want? We want the cost of the canvas. So cost of the canvas. Cost of the canvas. Okay. So at the rate of 15 per meter square, this is rupees 15, right? So for 44 centimeter square, this is 44 into 500, right? That is 44 into 500 is 22,000 rupees. So this question is for 3 marks, okay? Next, a solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. So standing on a hemisphere, wait for it. Hemisphere with both the radii being equal to 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to the height equal to its radius. That means height is equal to radius. So radius is 1 centimeter, right? So here radii being equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. So here one hemisphere is there and one cone is there, right? This is a solid. This solid is made up of two shapes. That is, one is hemisphere and one is cone. Now, volume of the solid we need to find out, right? Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. So volume of the solid is equal to volume of the cone plus volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. Volume of the hemisphere. Volume of the hemisphere. Okay. So volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. Right. So here r is equal to 1. So radius of the cone and radius of the hemisphere, both radii are equal to 1 centimeter and height is equal to radius. That is, height is also 1 centimeter. That means this is also 1 centimeter. So now 1 by 3 pi into r square is 1 square into h, that is 1. 2 by 3 into pi into 1 cube. Okay. Now 1 by 3 pi into 1 square is 1 into 1, that is pi, plus 2 is 2 into 1 by 3 pi. Right. Now 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3 pi plus 2 by 3 pi. That means here denominator is same. So 3 is in the denominator. 1 plus 2 pi. 1 plus 1 pi plus 2 pi is 3 pi. So pi and pi will get cancelled. This is pi centimeter cube. Expressed in terms of pi. That means pi centimeter. So this is the volume, right? So Q. A solid iron pole consists of a solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and the base diameter 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. So here two poles are there, right? Two solid iron poles are there. So this is first pole, this is second pole, or you can consider this is a first pole, this is second. So now I will consider this is first pole and this is second. So radius of the first pole is R1 is equal to 8 centimeter and height H1 is 60 centimeter and radius of the second pole. So in second pole diameter they have given. So D diameter they have given, that means D is equal to 24. So what is R2? R2 means 24 divided by 2, that is 12 centimeter, right? 2 ones are 2, 12. 2 12s. Next, H2 is 220 centimeter. Now, volume of the solid we want, right? Volume of the solid. So for that, what we are going to do here? Volume of the solid is equal to, here two poles are there, right? Two poles are there. So volume of the first pole plus volume of the second. Volume of the first pole Or you can consider volume of the big pole. Consider this is a big pole and this is a small. Okay. Or you can consider this is a first pole or second pole. Big pole plus volume of the second pole or small of the small. Right. Now, volume of the big pole is pi r square h. Since it is in cylindrical shape, therefore pi r square h, here it is r2 square h plus here it is h2, pi r1 square h. Now, pi value here, pi value is 3.14. So 3.14 into R2. R2 value is 12 centimeter, that is square, into H2. H2 value is 220 plus 3.14 into R1 value. R1 value is 8 square, right, into H1. H1 is 60. So 3.14 into 144 into 220 plus 3.14 into 64 into 60. Right? So if we multiply all these values, then you will get 99475.2 plus 12057. 0.6. So if you add all these two values, then it will be 1153 centimeter cube. Okay, so what they ask, find the mass of the, given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram. Okay, 1 centimeter cube iron has approximately 8 gram. That means mass of the pole is equal to, so here I will write, okay, mass of the pole. Mass of the pole is equal to 11152.532.8 into 8 gram mass we want, right? So into 8. This is 8 gram. So if you multiply these two values, then you will get 892,262.4 gram. So if you convert this into kg, then it will be 892.26 kg. Okay. Next, a cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere can have? Find the surface area of the solid. Okay. So here cubical block side they have given. Side means it is nothing but diameter only, right? So greatest diameter of the hemisphere. Greatest diameter of the hemisphere is nothing but side of the cubical block only. Side of the cubical block, right? Cubical block, that is 7 centimeter. So it is nothing but diameter, right? So if D is equal to 7, then what is the value of R? R value is 7 divided by 2. Okay, now is nothing but diameter only. Okay, now what they have, find the surface area of the solid. So surface area of the solid. So this solid is made up of two shapes, that is one is cubical block plus hemisphere, right? So surface area of the solid, surface area of the solid, area of the solid is equal to cubical block is there, right? So first we need to find out the area, surface area of the cube plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. So here cube is there plus one hemisphere is there. Hemisphere, right? Hemisphere minus so here one hemisphere is there minus the area of the circular base of this hemisphere, right? So area of the circular base of the hemisphere, of the circular base of the hemisphere. Circular base of the hemisphere. Now, area of the cube, that is 6a square. Total surface area is 6a square plus CSA of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square minus area of a circular base. So circular base means it is pi r square. Now 6a square. So a value is, so side value is 7 square here. So 7 means 6 into 7 square plus, so this is 2 pi r square minus pi r square means it is pi r square only. So 6 into 49 plus pi value is 22 divided by 7 minus into r value is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 11s. So here 6 into 49 into 11 into 7, that is 77. 6 into 49. $294 plus this is 11 into 7, that is 77 divided by 2. Okay, so 294 plus 77 divided by 2. That is 332.5 centimeters cube is the total surface area of this solid. So this solid is made up of 1 cubical, 1 cube plus hemisphere. Now curved surface area of the cube, sorry, total surface area of the cube plus curved surface area of the hemisphere minus this circular base, that is pi r. Then we will get total surface area of the solid. Okay, so with this, I will end my class. So I hope this video will be helpful for your preparation. Today we have solved some 2, 3, 4 marks questions. Okay. Yes, I will stop here only. Study well. All the very